In this Ivanti Neurons for ITSM video, you'll learn how to configure XSLT to process incoming emails in XML format. It converts XML formatted emails into readable ITSM records. Some mail servers send emails in XML to preserve structure or enable automation. XSLT filters transform these XML emails into ITSM supported format. ITSM can then create incidents or service requests automatically. This video shows you how to set it up in ITSM. In this video you will create an email import connection and upload XSLT files. Configure record creation to export email as XML with that connection. Send a test email, monitor the integration queue and verify the resultant email and the linked incident. Start by logging into Ivanti Neurons for ITSM as administrator. Click on the setting icon to open the configuration console. Go to Extend, click the Integration Tools to manage integrations. Click on the Data Import Connections to set up the import configurations. Click Add New to start creating a new data import connection. Enter a unique import connection name to define this configuration. Choose any name that hasn't been used before. Select Email Import from the drop-down to choose the connection type. Download the required XSLT example from Examples of Processing Emails Received in XML Format in the Ivanti Online Help. Then, upload the file from your local computer using the Upload tab. If the condition requires updating or creating a new incident, use the Add button to upload additional XSLT files. Click the test connection to verify that the import connection is configured correctly. Click Close to exit the test connection window. When the test succeeds, click Save to store the new import connection settings. You can now see the saved connection in the connector list. Navigate to the home page and click More to access additional configuration options. Select Email Configuration to adjust email processing parameters from the drop-down menu. Open the email from the Inbox workspace. Before you proceed, ensure all the information is correct. Now, click Test Connection to check the incoming server connection. After the test is successful, navigate to Record Creation and select Export Email as XML from the drop-down of Email Processor. Select the newly created import connection from the drop-down. Select the radio button labeled Create Record by creating or linking the employee or external contact. Select Employee from the Contact Type drop-down. Make sure to select the checkbox for Enable Email Listener. Save the settings. Send an email to the address specified in the incoming server connection. Go back to the More menu and search and select Integration Queue. Click Refresh again to ensure the queue is current. Locate your email entry by the name of your newly created data import connection mapping. Once the email status displays as completed, navigate to the email workspace to view your email details. Next, open the email workspace and select your email. Click Open in Parent to view the email. Confirm an incident was created and that summary and description fields reflect the transformed XML content. You've now successfully configured XSLT to process incoming XML-based emails in Ivanti Neurons for ITSM. Thank you for watching. Try it now.